Welcome guys back to my channel, and today's video we are going to be talking about caching, what caching is and how it works in the real world. So caching simply means storing frequently accessed data in a fast memory lane like Redis, so our apps doesn't have to hit our database every single time. So this makes our apps faster and cost us less amount of money. So I'm going to be giving you all know I give real world examples, so anyone that doesn't even know nothing about coding would even understand. So imagine you are a tailor and you have a big shop where lots of customers come in every single day. They come in, they show you the kind of dresses they want, and you have to tell them the price. So imagine you get over 100 people every single day. I mean, you can't possibly be giving the same price. So what's a better approach? You just write the prices of each, how much it costs to sew a particular dress, and place it somewhere in your shop. So whenever they come to you and ask you for price of anything, just say, go look at that place. Then they go look at it there, and they automatically know the price of what they want to do. So with this approach, even when you're not around, anybody that comes to the shop will just look at the price list and already know the price of what they want. So that's the same idea with caching, and I'm going to be giving us the diagram here. So imagine this is the client sends a request to the server, and let's say it's a get request. It's a get request. What we first do is we check Redis. We check Redis for if the data you are actually looking for, if what you want has actually been cached, been saved to Redis. If it has been saved, it returns you the data. Returns you the data, and that's the end of the request. If it has not been if it has not been cached, it queries the database, and after querying the database, it stores the results in Redis, and it stores the result in Redis for future purpose. Let's say two minutes later you come back for the same request. It doesn't necessarily have to, it won't come to the database anymore. It just return you the data here. So after querying the database, it stores that data to our Redis database and returns you the data. So that's how easy caching actually is. So if you have any question, please put it on the comment section, and I'm going to reply. And if you have any concept you want me to explain in system design and architecture, please just drop it, and I'm going to drop a video on it. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video so it reaches a wider audience. Thank you.